getting stinky. It's not the diesel, people. Here at Dakota Micro, we build ruggedized backup and surveillance cameras right here in the USA. And they can take pretty much anything you can throw at them. Today we're installing some AgCams on a wrapped in history, one-of-a-kind Gleaner Combine. Do you know why they call it a combine? It's because it combines three important things that a farmer used to have to do that took a lot of time and money. Reaping, threshing, and winnowing. And if you knew that, you were smarter than me, because I had to look it up. The one thing I didn't have to look up was our new warranty. Limited lifetime warranty against moisture and dust. Our new and improved 5-year warranty for anything else. You can put it here so you can see the header, or you can put it here so you can see where you're unloading in your grain cart. Or you could put it here so you can keep an eye on this latch. But most of you will appreciate the views from the back and from the end of the auger. So in review, AgCams are gonna save you money and keep you safe. AgCams can obviously go on any combine, but don't they look sexier on a Gleaner? Hey man. Cut.